Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great today. Now, if you've been following the channel for a while, you know that I love sharing valuable tips and tools to help you grow your online business. So today, I've got something really exciting to talk about. We're diving into a product that could potentially change the way you approach publishing, especially if you're interested in coloring books or low-content books. I'm talking about the Vegtable House Coloring Pack. Whether you're a parent looking for a fun educational activity for your kids, an educator aiming to enrich lesson plans, or an entrepreneur ready to take your publishing business to the next level, this pack has something for you. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of what makes this pack so special. First off, this is a done-for-you package, meaning it's all set up and ready for you to use right away. We're talking over 700 high-quality coloring pages, and that's not all. These pages are designed with a Vegtable House theme. Sounds unique, right? It's an interesting and engaging idea, and I think it could really stand out in the crowded coloring book market. Inside this pack, you're going to find a variety of themed categories. For example, there are pages for Brinjal House, Cabbage House, Carrot House, and even Mushroom House. This diversity is great because it gives you multiple options to cater to different interests, and with kids, the more variety the better. Imagine how much fun they're going to have coloring in houses made out of vegetables. It's cute, creative, and educational all in one. What's also fantastic is that the pack comes with files in JPEG, PNG, and PDF formats, so whether you want to print them or publish them digitally, you're all set. The pages are all formatted in the standard 8.5x11 size, which is perfect for printing or creating digital versions that are easy to upload to platforms like Amazon KDP, Etsy, Apple Books, and more. And here's the kicker: you can sell these pages with private label rights, or PLR. What does that mean for you? You can rebrand, resell, and keep 100% of the profits. There's no limit to how you can use this content. For those of you who aren't familiar with private label rights, basically, you get the rights to use, modify, and sell the product as your own. So, if you've been looking for an easy way to build your own publishing brand or expand your existing one, this is a great way to do it without needing to create everything from scratch. But it doesn't stop at coloring pages. This pack also comes with a massive collection of book covers. We're talking about 250 ready-to-use covers that are designed to perfectly match the Vegtable House theme. This is an awesome time saver. Instead of spending hours trying to design a cover or hiring a designer, you can just pick from these high-quality pre-made options. Plus, they're also in the standard 8.5x11 format, so they're ready to go right out of the box. And if that wasn't enough, there are some extra bonuses that come with the pack. You get 50 dinosaur coloring pages, 60 patchwork toy pages, 100 fountain coloring pages, and even 200 dreamcatcher coloring pages. This bonus content is perfect if you want to mix things up or create a variety of products for different markets. What I love about this pack is that it's not just for publishers. It's perfect for anyone in the education field, especially those who want to make learning fun and engaging. These Vegtable House themed pages can teach kids about vegetables, colors, shapes, and creativity, all while keeping them entertained. It's an educational tool wrapped in a fun activity that kids will actually enjoy. For entrepreneurs, this pack is a dream come true. If you've been wanting to get into the low-content book publishing business but didn't know where to start, this is your answer. The market for coloring books on platforms like Amazon KDP is growing fast, and with the right product, you can really carve out a niche for yourself. The best part? It's all set up for you to start selling, and you don't need any design skills or prior experience. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of low-content publishing or take your existing business to new heights, the Vegtable House Coloring Pack is a game-changer. It's easy to use, full of high-quality content, and with the PLR rights, the potential for profit is limitless. And hey, before I wrap up, if you want to get your hands on this amazing pack, be sure to check out the link in the description. But don't wait too long, this deal is only available for a limited time. Thanks for watching, and as always, feel free to drop any questions or comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips and tools to grow your business. I'll see you in the next video.